Students, next we discuss about problems in motion a straight line. After completion of these problems, we start the next lesson. So what is the problems? We have already discussed some problems based on average velocity, and similarly we have to discuss one problem on same average velocity. So one, what is that one? A particle moves in a straight line with uniform acceleration. That's why its velocity at t is equal to 0 seconds is v1, and at t equal to t seconds is v2. Okay, so that the average velocity of particle in this time is v1 plus v2 by 2. So that they ask a question, is this correct? That is this statement is correct? Substantiate your answer. That means we have to prove this one. That is, average velocity of the object in a given time interval is v1 plus v2 by 2. It will be proved. Okay. So check it the solution. Is this statement is correct or not? Okay. Now, first of all, given that a particle move in a straight line with uniform acceleration, its velocity t is equal to 0. At t equal to 0, its velocity is v1, and at t equal to t seconds, its velocity is v2. Consider this v1 and v2. v1 is initial velocity u and v2 is final velocity v. So that's why we have to represent this is starting point A and this is ending point B. Okay, not ending point, some point. Okay, so at A, t is equal to 0 seconds, then its velocity is u, and t equal to t seconds, its velocity is v. Okay, so and it's move with uniform acceleration. So we have to take equations of motion. Whenever you have to take equations of motion, the body moves under uniform acceleration. Okay, so that's why we have to take equations of motion. So you know that equations of motion, s equal to ut plus half at square. What is s? S is the distance travelled by the object. So that's why this distance s is equal to u is the v1 is total time t plus half a is the acceleration. Acceleration equal to the change in velocity by time. Acceleration formula is change in velocity by time. So v minus u by total time, t minus 0 will get t. Okay. So this a we have to write v minus u by t into this t square. Okay. Now in this situation, this t and 1t will get cancelled. S equal to v1t plus half this v minus u into t. Okay. Now again this v1t plus half t is multiplied with v. That is what happened, vt by 2. Similarly minus ut by 2. Now this one is v1t plus vt. V is the v2. So v2t by 2 minus u u is the v1, so that is v1t by 2, v1t by 2. See this, v1t plus v2t by 2 minus v1t by 2. We substitute v2, u is v1. Okay, now we have to write this one is equal to v1t plus v2t by 2 minus v1t by 2. Okay, so that's why we have to write v1t in this minus v1t by 2. So 2 to multiply cheyandi 2 v1t and this one minus v1t by 2 and the remaining plus v2t by 2 plus v22 by 2. So s equal to 2 v1t minus 1 v1t. We'll get 1 v1t. Therefore v1t by 2 plus v2t by 2. Therefore finally we have to write t by 2 will get common. Therefore v1 plus v2 by 2 into t. Okay, t by 2 will common. T by 2 will common. Then v1 plus v2. Okay, so this is the displacement of the object. Now he can prove average velocity v1 plus v2. Average velocity is v1 plus v2. So that's why we have to write the formula. What is formula? Therefore v average equal to is total distance or total displacement by total time. It is the formula for v average. So total displacement is v1 plus v2 by 2 into t and we'll get 1 by t. 1 by t means multiply with 1 by t. T will get cancelled. Then what happens? We have to write v average is equal to remaining v1 plus v2 by 2. v1 plus v2 by 2. So that's why we have to tell this v1 plus v2 by 2 is equal to v average for particle move with velocity v1 and final velocity is v2 and moving with uniform acceleration. So that's why the given statement is true or false. It will be true. So therefore we have to write the given statement is true. This is the answer. Okay, so this is also important problem and it is getting in previous Telangana ITE exams. Okay, public exams. Thank you.